The boys are back in town. The boys are back in town.
Let's go.
So what do we have here today?
The slow marrow.
Very true. LT1. Of course, the ZL1. A red bike, so it's probably fast.
It's a Honda CBR 600 double R.
Double R for double race or?
Real racing.
And an M850i.
You sounded very enthusiastic about that.
Dale. One slap for you, one slap for you, big slap for you, and the last slap for you. I don't know why you're angry. You're literally in the middle of the fucking lane. Oh man, what a beautiful day to own a ZL1. He's got a bra on the car? Miami daily traffic. Look at that, Jesus.
Good old 1 2 1 2. 1 2. Clutch in, first gear. Clutch out, ride the first. Shift the second. Clutch in, brake, neutral, shift the first. And that's how you do the traffic bout. Woohoo!
Oh shit. Hey, thanks man. This is why I have such a horrible miles per gallon reading. I mean, I think it's like 8. Let's check really quick. Oh, 9, okay. It's pretty good, considering that I have a supercharged V8. Excluding the traffic jams and the fraud that happens here, Miami is an absolutely stunning city. I mean, so lucky to live here. gonna get somebody. Nobody else? Nah, I'm the only loser. Mikey's doing it too. The Beamer's doing it too. Beautiful. What a beautiful day in general. Look at that. One boat there and a lamb boat here. Wait, no, this is not a Challenger. Why did you wait for us, man?
Because there's no shade here.
True. Hey, what's up? We made it. Damn, the M8 is so sleek.
Nah, I've always said the Camaro looks like a bulldog.
Yeah, a French bulldog. Follow me. Well, we'll technically follow him since he's just gonna meet us there. Dale. Michael, do a burnout, please. No. Damn, man. A good one. Shifting was pretty good too. Woohoo! I mean, a twin turbo V8, the automatic transmission, the all-wheel drive. I mean, I'm not spinning at all. I think my shifts need to be a little bit faster. But man, what the hell, man? This should be smoking it. With these manuals, you gotta be on your A game. If not, you're cooked. Oh my God. Traction control initiated. Gotta keep me on my feet. Oh my God, man. Man, the Magna Ride is truly transforms the Camaro driving experience, man. You moved today. Yo, I gotta see that video. How are you, sir? Great. Thank you for joining us.
I was like, bro, we already said hi.
Michael, be honest. Who has the nicest red car here?
He was just like...
That's not a car. Alrighty, let's go get some food. That's what she said. Yo, Bryce, am I right? Huh? Bryce decided to be humble today and bring the beautiful and iconic E92 M3.
So fucking lucky.
And what you guys just saw is a clear example as to why you don't fuck around.
Where did you lose control? Here.
Right here. I was actually more worried about hitting here, and that's why I turned, and that's why I spun out. Everything but nothing.
You realized where you were gone.
Yeah, you were like, oh, be it.
No, what happened?
This guy was. You said drifting here, right?
Yeah, right here. Hey, worst directions ever, bro.
Ooh.
You! Yo, what the f? Nah, but guys, holy shit. I'm looking at some of the exterior components. Everything is fine. My front lip seems to be good. The bumper's fine. Not in, I mean.
Oh, you're just spitting out everything.
I know, dude. I know. Jesus Christ.
You had me in the first half. He's cooking right now. I'm like, yo,
There's a lot more power to it, though.
yeah, and the rest of us.
Traction control was off too.
Bro was asking. I don't know, bro. I don't know if you're going that way.
Spin around again.
You went like sideways onto the curb.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Imagine like you
Your
went like
car
that.
actually, your car
and
actually
your weight
went
would have
over
fucking-
it.
Bent
That's
in.
what I thought. I thought it was gonna flip because if he hit that curb,
Yeah, if you hit the curb like straight on.
yeah, like straight
Cooked.
down, his wheel will be.
Yeah, they were.
Bro, look.
The towing would be the camber.
The cam. Oh my god. Guys, I gotta go play the lottery.
No, for real. Before it runs out.
Yo, everything on red.
Honestly, I shit myself for you. Him and I were.
I
just
hit the
waiting
brake at the end of it, like when I was already turning.
Yeah, we had the most speed.
We were waiting to see what was gonna happen at the end. We're just like, I'll be honest, it was cool to see it.
500k on red.
I'm a gambler, huh?
We're all degenerates here.
Yeah, no, just put out. Yeah, that's it. It's all red. Hurry up, Michael. No vibe.
Yeah, for real, dude. This guy's been taking like 2 years, dude.
You vibe? Damn, that yes chef burger.
Insane. It's so simple. No, it's delicious. Trust me. Trust me, bro. I'm a certified drifter. Why weren't you recording, bro? Passenger princess, bro. Again, you don't go in, bro. Is that water? Is that really smart water, sir?
No, it's Sprite, pineapple.
That's gasoline, bro.
That's diesel.
No, okay, but I shot bricks for you.
I know.
You spun for so long. For so
Yeah, I
long.
was like, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
Now this vlog turned into a close call vlog, and now it's gonna be a food review. Are you fast shift intolerant too, or?
Bro, I go.
All right. There's a yes chef burger. Let's see.
I wait in line. I'm like, hey, I asked for no cheese. Anyone says in there? Oh yeah.
Oh, you put an egg on that bit?
Mm-hmm. Maybe they were fried. Oh my god, what a
What a guy.
bro. I might name my first child Frank. Even if it's a girl. Yo, Aiden. Pseudo dab. Yo, is that Aiden Ross, bro?
Bro.
Sir. Link.
Oh yeah, send me the fucking video.
I will. All right, guys, so now we're gonna take a chill drive back. I think this is a great way to end the vlog. Definitely got a lot of content today. We got super lucky with the car today. She lives to drive and rip another day, so take care, guys.